Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. tax returns. Those are the filings for U.S. citizens to basically stipulate what, if any, tax they owe to the U.S. government. And we're also talking about the statute of limitations. Now, I want to be clear why we're discussing this. I often hear people tell me, oh, I don't need to file a tax return. Oftentimes, they're erroneous in their analysis. Or I hear people just say, oh, there's no point, I don't want to do it, whatever. One of the big reasons for doing it is to get one's documentation on file so that if there's ever an issue with one's taxes, the statute of limitations may have run out. And what I mean to say is the statute of limitations is, in Thailand, we call it prescription. It's in the Thai legal system, it's called prescription. But it basically forestalls, for example, the government in this case, from pursuing a legal action against someone if a certain amount of time has elapsed between, for example, the filing of one's taxes and whenever someone wants to go ahead and cause a problem, or for lack of a better term, make a beef about one's tax filing. If a certain amount of time has gone by, then, and the statute of limitations is clear regarding that elapsed time period and the preclusion of being able to bring a case, then there's a certain set of scenarios wherein just simply filing one's taxes, even if one really doesn't need to, it's not a terrible idea just to backstop or to cover oneself legally using the statute of limitations. Basically, so that, after that statute has elapsed, or the time noted in the statute of limitations has elapsed, one is basically can sort of breathe a lot easier, that they don't need to worry about what was going on 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road. They just went ahead and filed a return, whether they needed to or not, got themselves into the system, and then just forget about it. I see that happen a lot with certain expats, especially ones that aren't making any real income, retirees and things. Not a terrible idea to just go ahead and file one's taxes, even if one isn't bringing in any income to speak of at all. Mostly for the purpose of getting the clock or the timer to start with respect to the statute of limitations. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.